Right. Welcome to the diesel tank, the parts cleaner tank. Alright, set you there like so. I'm going to take my watch off. It's just an old sink built into a framey table thing. This is the tensioner for the long chain. Let that drop in there. Oh, I forgot to take that out. It's red because it's farm or off-road diesel. Because it's for the tractor. So I'm going to go clean a part. This is usually where I'm going. Alright. That's probably pretty good. This is the top of the table. I just slid it over and added weight so it wouldn't go nowhere. But I figured I'd show you all this thing, the parts cleaner. And then I'm going to show you all the little teeny tiny balls in the I guess jockey wheel, I think they're called. I'm not sure if it'd be a jockey wheel on this thing. There's a rust part involved with this one. I think that. Rust. Whatever. It's a little better. Not overly worried about a bit of rust. At least not here. On the outside of the bolt. Rust. Okay. Yeah, don't go putting the red diesel in your pickup truck. Or your Volvo or Volkswagen. The cop will write you a nasty ticket. Alright. Get that nut too. Wow. Thing cleaned up real good. It helps to put things back together when you take them apart, or when you're cleaning them, so you don't lose anything. Alright. This is jockey wheel. Alright, you see that there? You can split that apart and then it's full of balls. Little bitty balls. I'm guessing about the size of a BB. What was it, about 4.5 millimeters or so? Haha, I can turn it apart. Okay. So, I am going to set this out like so. BBs. You go back in there. Lots of them too. Wow. Ew. That's gross. Oh. I don't have... I'll bet there's some grease over there somewhere. Okay, it's fine. So I'm gonna put this together before we go back. See, there's a track inside there that the BB's all running. These are smaller than BBs. These are 3 millimeters, maybe not even that. Yeah, the cleaning these are getting just this right here. Okay, right like so. There's even a spot you can get a wrench on that if you need to. Right. I'd do better than that. There we go. This thing. Worst one of them all. So yeah, I'm just cleaning it all up, cleaning all the junk off. Jockey wheels on my moto became plastic from the early 80s, late 70s maybe. I'm pretty sure this bike's from the 60s sometime. There. Rinse that off. Set that up there. Dab some things dry. Okay, it's good. All right. Taking extra care to leave those alone. Here, show you the teensy tiny balls. Look at that, tiny. Okay. And I could probably set you here now. Those aren't going in the thing. Use this to maybe hold the phone up. It's fine. It's fine. It'll be fine, won't it, guys? Okay, is there a right or left to this? Nope. I'm gonna set that there. Interesting. The balls hold it all together. Find some grease real fast. Let's see. I saw grease in here. I did. Oh boy, oh boy. Right. All-purpose white this time. Screwdriver. Clean it off a little bit on my rag. We already dipped out of this? It feels like we have. Oh yeah. Okay. I gave up on the screwdriver there pretty quick, didn't I? So I'm just shoving this into the where the balls are gonna go. Wow. We're making a mess. That's all right. Not that much. Like that much. All right. Set that over there. I forgot to count balls. Oh well, they're all well contained here. Get that out of the way so we don't actually accidentally lose one into there. One more to get in. Poke. Hey, you get back in there. Shh. Rag. There we go. Noise. All right. Back together. Now I just gotta go put it back on the bike and rebuild some wheels. Don't need that. Don't need to start with. Grief, my screen's popping off. The glue is surrendered on my phone. Kind of hilarious. Bye. Bye.